So your boy, the realest realtor, aka Brian Welch, and at this moment, heading out to Berry Drive to check out a beautiful new home. Just came to the market this week. It's also 1 mile from my office here off of Ventura Boulevard in Studio City. So I'm excited to see it. Plus, one thing that I love about this house is that it's priced right, which tells us a story. One is that we have a legit motivated seller on our hands. Not someone who's just, bring me the highest offer in the world. Because the truth is, in our market here in Los Angeles, especially Studio City, the dreamers don't necessarily always get their dreams on the first go around, but the ones who are realistic are the ones that typically win, and they get their price, and they get to go where they want to go. So it's your boy, Brian Welch. We've officially gotten to the property here at 3521 Berry Drive in Studio City. Just came down the driveway, and now we're here. And we're also with Melanie, who is with the agency. She's parked there right next to me with her BMW. I'm a fan of the BMW because that's my initials, you know, Brian Michael Welch. So a little biased, but it is what it is. So the house here is 4-bed, 3-bath, just over 2,300 square feet. It is a mid-century modern home, all one level. So T, when you're ready, let's go take a look. This is also 1 day on the market too, so fresh off of the press. First things first here that I really like is that it has the garage, which is technically detached from the house. And the reason that this is so cool is that if you really wanted to, you can even convert this into a converted garage, right? You can convert this garage and turn it into a living space, put a kitchenette in here. Because you have the private courtyard there, you can have still the parking outside. Again, just an option to add value to the house as well. So when you first walk in, you already get the absolute money shot of this house, which is gonna be the tremendous view. So the biggest pull to living in Studio City or Hollywood Hills is going to be your views. Now, if you are a creative, someone that works in the creative space, you know that you need some views to just let your thoughts go, let your mind expand, and just have fun with your thoughts. Also, it's super private and quiet up here, which is very, very peaceful, again, which is great for any creative, constructive thoughts as well. So T, if we pop down there, you can see that they have a couple lounge chairs. Could be a great opportunity to build out, as well as it goes all the way down to the white picket fence, which you can't see from right here. But this could be a great opportunity to add more value here, potentially build a pool. You can even do like an infinity style pool off of here. I mean, just to expand on that view, tons of opportunity. Here you have nice space as well. This would be a great place to have friends over to host dinner parties. You can have the fire burning here. Also, you got the hot tub as well. And then to wrap up the rest of the outdoor space, you have what would be your fitness workout area here, as well as a dry sauna. The only thing missing here is a cold plunge. So if you had a cold plunge to your dry sauna, I think you'd have everything taken care of. So again, we have 4 bedrooms here. So this bedroom here, we take a look, does have a Jack and Jill. So we have the shared bathroom this way. Again, nicely remodeled as well. Beautiful mid-century modern home. And again, with this home being in the Carpenter School District, this could be a great home for a family as well. So if you have 2 kiddos, they're sharing the bathroom that way. Right here, the primary bedroom, so you're not too far away from the kiddos. You can keep a close ear, close eye on them, yet you still have a nice, good-sized primary here, raised ceilings. Also, you have a walk-in closet. So this one is going to go to whoever's the partner in the relationship that might have more clothes. For some people, it's the man. For others, it might be the woman. Because let's be, real. She's typically the boss. She's got more shoes. That's okay. We know our place. And then here, this is where the men will be. So they'll just have these hangers here to put their clothes. No, jokes aside, there's actually pretty good space here for 2 people. So you can both be fashionistas here in this house. Also, it's a good size bathroom as well. Just has a shower, 2 sinks. Very nice. One thing it's missing is gonna be that tub, but you know, to each their own, to each their own. So this home has a phenomenal layout as we have 3 bedrooms there on that side of the home. On this wing of the home, we do have the 4th and final bedroom. So this now is staged as an office, but could certainly be used as a guest bedroom. So if you have someone who's, let's say, who's more elderly, this would be a great place to have them on this side of the home. Also, this home being all single story is very family friendly for all ages. It's definitely a big benefit. And as we go to the heart of the home here, we have this beautiful wall, which is brought together by the fireplace there, crystal fireplace with gas. And this super open kitchen that we have here with beautiful natural skylights bringing a lot of that natural lighting. And of course, we have the Viking appliances here as well. So this is a great home, a great family home here. So this has been a little bit of the grand tour of 3521 Berry Drive. Again, brand new listing here in Studio City. So if you are looking for a new home, whether you are a creative and you're looking for your own sanctuary, or you have a family and you want to take advantage of the great schools, this could be one spectacular option. So again, editing Studio City, Hollywood Hills, Beverly Hills. It's your boy B. Welch, Realist Realtor, and talk to you soon. We just finished touring the property here on Berry Drive. First of all, it's a tremendous property. It'd be an exceptional property for a young couple, potentially young family, especially looking to build a life out here. So for one, I think it's a great home. The only downside to it is that it does have a shared driveway, which some people might not like, especially at the purchase price of around that $2.3 million mark. That's not a small expense. So that's the only thing that could be potentially not a great fit for everyone. But then you have a counterbalance by the super open kitchen and also the exceptional views that you get from the backyard. So overall, it's a beautiful property and I think it'll go quickly. I'm just not sure it's gonna go at that price. So we'll see. On to the next house. So here at 8716 Hollywood Hills Road, we're officially in the Hollywood Hills, hence the address, the street name. So very secluded up here. Also being higher up, we're gonna get some really great views. Excited for you to see. We got 4 beds, 4 bath, just over 2,500 square feet. So let's check it out. As we step in, we're met by a huge living room space here this way with nice tall ceilings. Also we have recessed lighting as well. My favorite benefit about being in the Hollywood Hills is always the views. So check this out. So upstairs we have this nice private balcony here or deck. Also from this space, we have one of my absolute favorite places in the world, which would be Runyon Canyon Park, otherwise known as the Hollywood Hike. As you can see, the Hollywood sign there in your very backyard. Also, it's nice and quiet, nice and private up here as well. This house has really great flow to it. So even at this nice large island space here, we have really great flow. Also, we have stainless steel appliances here. It's a beautiful skylight that brings in a ton of natural light here to the space. Again, with the flow of the home here, we have a really great dining room space here as well. And we have a secondary, we have a den, or otherwise known as a family room here. And then we have 2 more bathrooms on this level. So one, we have a 3/4 bath this way. More storage space here. And we have the wonderful listing agent Kate here.
Making sure you get your clicks online.
Because here in the Hollywood Hills, us agents, we work together to help our families find some homes. So thank you.
Come check it out. Yep, my pleasure.
Yeah. And this has an ensuite bathroom as well, which again would be great for having family to stay over. They can have their own guest space. So let's take a look at the second floor here. Now this is by far my favorite room in this whole entire house. The reason being is we get to see a landmark that is very special to Los Angeles. You won't find it in Brazil, won't find in New York. You won't find in Chicago. Come on over here. So, mind you, this is your primary bedroom, and then this is the view that you get every single day when you wake up. And because we have a clear day here, you can actually see out there, that's our Hollywood sign. On the secondary level, we also have a shared bathroom here, which would be for these 2 bedrooms. This would be a great home for a young family here, as we have another bedroom here with that walk-in closet. Also, here's a nice little giraffe. Now, in real estate, most things are negotiable. In this case, I don't know if Jeffrey the giraffe is going to be negotiable. But again, once we put that offer together, we can decide what we want to ask for and what we just can't live without. Then we have one more bedroom here this way. So this will be the last bedroom. Upstairs. And so that is the rest of the top floor up here. So just finished touring 8716. Again, thank you to my good friend Kate for showing us the beautiful home. And right now, days on market in our neighborhood here is about 50 days. So being only in the first week, there's still a lot to know whether this is gonna be the right price and things of that nature, but it's a gorgeous view, and you do get the Hollywood sign, which is definitely a big upside. So this is a special home, and if I were a betting man, I would think this would go to a family because it's just a family setup and it's a beautiful home. So this is a little bit of what the behind the scenes looks like of looking at homes. If you have more questions about what happens behind the scenes, or if you want to know how we can even get a little more granular with the criteria to find something really specific, say you're looking for an ADU, this is just a little bit of what this process looks like. If you like this kind of behind the scenes content, please feel free to like and subscribe. Heck, you can even hit the notification button if you want to. Don't make me say the bell button. Ding! I just can't help myself. It's just who I am and how I am. I wish I was different. Okay, so please feel free to follow along there. Also, if you like this video, check out this other video I made as well of the actual tour of Studio City of Hollywood Hills and some gorgeous homes there that are available today. Also, we dive deep into everything Hollywood Hills, Studio City, and West L.A., including Beverly Hills. So if these are areas that you either have questions on yourself, you're thinking about making a transition, or you know someone that is, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, you can find me on Instagram as well at Realist Realtor Brian. Listen, it's all about, for me, it's about getting the business done, but also having as much fun as you possibly can. Because at the end of the day, it's not just a transaction. These interactions that I have, these are relationships that I plan to have for life. I plan to be a realtor for life. But listen, I'm not gonna ask us to get married on the first date. Let's just take the first date, see how we go. If you like coffee, it's on me. And if you like tea, it's also on me too. So I hope you enjoyed this, a little bit behind the scenes from your boy, the realest realtor in the streets of LA, Brian Welch, and I will talk to you soon.